Garden walls serve multiple purposes. They can provide privacy, create a sense of enclosure, and add a decorative element to your backyard. Whether you're looking to define a specific area, hide unsightly views, or simply enhance the overall ambience, a garden wall can be a versatile solution. Texture and color can play a significant role in creating a visually appealing garden wall. Consider using a combination of materials and finishes to add depth and interest. For example, you could combine smooth stone with rough-hewn wood or incorporate colorful tiles into a concrete wall. Experiment with different textures and colors to find the perfect combination that complements your existing outdoor space. Rustic stone walls exude timeless charm and natural beauty. They can be used to create a sense of privacy, define garden boundaries, or serve as a backdrop for your favorite plants. The irregular shapes and natural hues of stone add a rustic and organic feel to your outdoor space. Consider using local stones to add a unique and authentic touch. For a contemporary look, modern metal walls offer a sleek and minimalist aesthetic. They can be customized with various finishes, colors, and patterns to suit your personal style. Metal walls are also durable and low maintenance, making them a practical choice for outdoor spaces. Consider incorporating perforated metal panels for a unique and visually interesting effect. Living walls are a beautiful and eco-friendly way to add greenery and privacy to your backyard. They can be created using a variety of materials, including wood, metal, or plastic. Choose plants that are well suited to your climate and maintenance preferences. Living walls can provide a habitat for pollinators, improve air quality, and add a touch of natural beauty to your outdoor space. A garden wall can be more than just a decorative element. Incorporate functional features to enhance the usability of your outdoor space. For example, you could create a built-in seating area, add planters for growing herbs or flowers, or install a small water feature. These elements can transform your garden wall into a versatile and enjoyable outdoor space. Before starting your garden wall project, carefully plan the design, materials, and location. Consider the overall aesthetic of your backyard, the amount of sunlight it receives, and any existing structures or features. Proper maintenance is essential to ensure the longevity and beauty of your garden wall. Regular cleaning, repairs, and painting can help to preserve its appearance and prevent damage. Consider the specific requirements of your chosen material and take appropriate steps to care for your wall. With so many creative options available, there's no limit to what you can achieve with a well-designed garden wall. Whether you're looking for a privacy screen, a decorative element, or a functional feature, a garden wall can be a valuable addition to your backyard. So, start planning your dream garden wall today and let your creativity soar. Ready to transform your backyard? Start planning your dream garden wall today. We'd love to hear your favorite design inspiration. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll love this next one.